Desktop mini conveyor belts designed for small production lines and desktop operation scenarios. It features portability, energy efficiency, and high performance. And it's suitable for material conveying after sheet separation and small workpiece transfer. It is an ideal lightweight conveying equipment for food, daily chemical, electronics, and other industries. The body is less than 1 meter long with a net weight of only 5.7 kilograms. It can be easily placed in narrow spaces such as desktops. Suitable for conveying cards, paper, small packages and other materials with a width of 0.28 cm. The rated power is only 25 W with low energy consumption. Made of aluminum alloy and 201 stainless steel. Visit our website for details, www.gorgeoustij.com.